everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to teach you how to get free chat. So I have free chat on this spare account that I just made up, and I actually have this spare account for a pretty little bit, and I actually was a good debt decorator back then. So basically, you're gonna log onto your parent account, which I have right here, and then so basically I just chose this random account that I had. Calls are silly. And then back here you'll see chat settings. So then you click Save Chat Plus, and then you click Yes. So then you can refresh out of that. Be right back. Let me log into that spare account. Okay, so I'm logged into that account. So then we're going to log in. Okay, it just refreshed me for some reason. Oh, okay, what's going on here? Okay, we gotta play. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around my spare account. So then we're logging into this account, and as you can see, I have a free chat. And if you don't believe me, then I'll just write free chat. I have 2 jamograms from Animal Jam. What's on this account? I don't know. Oh, we got some pretty different stuff on this account. Okay, but bye everybody.